Okay, Ben, what inspired this island behind me?
As a designer, we're always trying to find fresh sources of inspiration. And in this case, it wasn't a fresh source. It's actually a very old source of inspiration. So we wanted to create a breakfast area that was a bit raised up to provide us privacy to the back island where we do dishes and have our sink. And so what we did was we looked at inspiration from Italian Catholic churches where they would have a large altar table. And so we designed this thing to kind of feel like this massive altar table where we could lay out a feast. So this was kind of our thinking on it.
Yeah, I will say every time I come to visit you, this is where we go. Like the computer comes out, the conversations happen.
This is the hub.
So this is the hub right here.
So it was extremely important that we get it right. What were some of the ways that we engineered this thing to work?
Yes. So you can see it's a rather large surface.
It's about 9 by 9.
That's a really large surface with something small holding this up right below. So you can see that it wants to move. And so we engaged an engineer to work through a steel profile for this. So that would handle any of the deflection for this island.
Right.
So when you're going to make something this large and have a pedestal below that's rather small, that is an important step to take. Yes. So we all huddled up, had this designed. They ran some testing on their computer just to make sure this would work. And then we executed.
So what's incredible is that this beautiful fluted base hides the steel armature that comes up out from the foundation and comes up through the base and stabilizes the entire top. And although it appears that it's only maybe connected at the one pedestal base, it's also supported all along the back edge where it engages with the back island.
I mean, this is a huge steel frame in here.
And you could dance on it.
You could dance on it. Yeah, but most people think, oh, I have a countertop, 3/4 of an inch of countertop. That should be stable enough. And that is just not accurate.
Not enough. So yeah, you have to be very, very careful when you're looking at the distance at which the countertop cantilevers out from its support system.
Yes, and really anything, if it's a table that cantilevers out from a wall. Like,
totally.
We need engineers and steel fabricators to coordinate with architects and designers and builders.
Interesting facts about this island.
Yes, he's going to do a dance now. Ready?